Let's begin with Air Chief Marshal S.P. Tyagi. Air Chief Marshal Tyagi, going by some of the developments that have been noticed over the past few days, do you think disaster management will be an important security concern?
Security by definition, Rudra, is when a citizen feels secure. Now, anything that makes him feel insecure is not security, and therefore it is a security challenge. Life and limb, property, security of life, security of property, they are all finally under the larger definition of security. It is a great security challenge.
This business of managing natural disasters, do you think will be an area of significant concern for the important nation states?
May I say that it is already a significant concern. Everybody knows that the world is changing, the climate is changing, the challenges are changing, technology is changing, and there are consequences for everything. When those consequences comes, you have to worry about what happens when things go wrong. Natural, man-made, technological. And it will remain a major challenge for all countries. Today we also live in a globalized world, and disasters know no boundaries, no borders. A storm, a cyclone, a tsunami doesn't recognize boundaries. So actually it is a challenge all around the world.
Right. And Air Chief Marshal Tyagi, soon after you had taken over the Chief of Air Staff, you had to deal with one of the largest relief and rescue operations, and the volume of disaster management and the rescue work that the Indian Air Force carried out that time in 2004 was something that surprised the world. Groups of nation states came together that time. So what was that experience like, first? And second, how has the world progressed since then?
Tsunami was an extraordinary disaster. I don't think in recent memory we've had a disaster of that magnitude. Yes, and not only the Air Force, the entire armed forces of India, frankly, the entire government machinery of India had to be alerted, put into use to manage that disaster. Yes, you are right. As I became the chief, some of the first instructions I got from the government of India were that we had to assist not only our own people, but people in our neighborhood. So the naval ships went off to Indonesia. We gave 6 helicopters to the Sri Lankans. So it was not only the Andaman group of islands, it was not only the Tamil Nadu coast, it